Yours has got a squeaker too. Let me find it. Wait, hold on. Okay, never mind. New toys for the babies. New toys for the babies. So funny. Kit Kat gets mellower and mellower over time. It used to be she was just like squishy, just like shaking the shit out of it, and now she just like inspects everything, and then she starts playing. And of course it's got legs, so kind of like the axolotls, what are they, gills that she plucked off the last stuffed animal. I feel like the octopus legs are going to be the same thing again. Guilty? Are you guilty? You look guilty. No. Why do you look guilty? Because this is one of the legs already that she has plucked off. Oh, and Squishy just sold her toy too. She's got both. She's got one leg. She's happy. I'm dying. Oh my god. I just said, won't be long. She'll start pulling legs off, just like she did with the axolotl, pulling his little fins off, or gills, or, yeah. And, yep, she plucked one off. She barely had it 5 minutes.